the better way to get all of these email addresses is, how do you find a hiring manager's email address when you're looking for a new PM role? There are plenty of tools that will help you do this. I recommend ContactOut. We've been using them inside PCA. It's a LinkedIn extension. You log in, you look up a profile, and it can tell you with relatively decent accuracy the email address of a contact. They give you 5 free lookups per day, and that's usually enough for most emails that you need to pull. Of course, you figure out who the hiring manager is by searching LinkedIn for posts that usually come quickly after a job is posted, where someone will go on LinkedIn and write a post saying, hey, we're hiring, or my team is hiring, or an adjacent team to our org is hiring. You can do a search for product manager hiring and that company name, or just hiring and that company name, to quickly filter through the posts of who might be talking about it. And then you should be able to figure out who the hiring manager is. And also as a bonus, you're looking for recruiters or senior product leaders in that org or company. And you're going to be sending them direct email. You want to follow up with your application and give them reasons why you can be the potential solution to their problem, right? So you're doing that, but you don't know the email. So you use these extensions, ContactOut or others like it, to get the email, send it over. Try to use read receipts. You can use Superhuman, or you can use plugins that tell you read receipts when someone has actually opened your email, so that you can see whether or not it's actually going into trash or spam, or if someone's actually looking at these emails. Think about the subject line, of course, as your hook, and then think about the content as the 2 or 3 lines that you want to do before you go for the CTA, the call to action, which is, hey, can you please forward this email along with my resume to your recruiting partner? Or are you available on time X or Y for a brief chat? But the better way to get all of these email addresses is proactively. If you send out about 30 LinkedIn connection requests per day without any personalization, but you do it in a targeted manner where you're focusing on recruiters, product managers, senior leaders across the companies that you want to target, because you have your 20, 40, 80, 200 companies on your company list, and you're trying to reach out to 30 people per day without any personalized notes, you're just sending out a connection request. Chances are, if your profile is good enough, if your headline is good enough, you're going to be able to convert 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% of these requests, depending on how powerful and impactful your headline really is. And if you can do that, if you can send out 30 connection requests per day, after a month, you could actually make 200, 300, 400 or more connections at those target companies within recruiting or product management or leadership functions. And if you do that for enough time, you do that for months, you can actually get first connection with a lot of these people that could be hiring managers or recruiters in the future. Or you can get a little bit closer to them where you're 1 degree away, and you could actually make an ask for an introduction. And you make the ask for introduction the same exact way, by offering to solve a problem, not by begging or using your relationship. So those are the 2 ways. Of course, you want to use the extensions to actually pull the email address, and that's almost always accurate. But really, you want to be thinking proactively. You want to refine and update your headline on LinkedIn so it's as powerful as it can be and as brief as it can be. I think it's something like under 30 characters on your phone that a person would see when you're sending them a connection request, or 50 or 55 characters on desktop when they're seeing your connection request. So you have to be brief in that headline. You can't afford to waste a single character. You have to give people a reason. Are you in product? Are you in AI? Are you in a particular area of expertise that you can call out? Are there any companies, big names, educational in your background that you can reference there? X Google, X Microsoft, X Datadog, whatever. Or can you demonstrate some impact? Big revenue numbers, big usage numbers, big team leadership, something like that. Can you stick all that in the headline, prioritize and stack rank by the most impactful first? Recognizable names, meaningful impact, and of course your role title. Product manager, director of product, something specific around product, so that the person you're inviting has a good reason to click yes, accept the connection. If you're doing both of those things over time, you're going to be able to connect to send not only emails, but even texts, yes, direct text messages to people whose problems you can solve. And I'm not telling you to spam anybody. I'm saying if you can actually address the problem, if you can be a good solution to the problem that they have, you should email them, you should text them, you should reach out and tell them that you are the solution. You can help. And if you're looking for help landing your next product management role, you can schedule time to speak with our team about potentially joining the Product Career Accelerator using the link in the description. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time.